Dear users, welcome back to our channel. Here we are back with yet another guide video just for you. Today in this video, let's see how you can place hassle-free trade using Investmentz mobile app. Firstly, log in with your login credentials and TOTP. Once you log in, the dashboard will display. From here, you can check out indices, stock, watch list, orders, position, and so on. To place order, you can select any stock from here or else simply click on Market tab. Here you can see watch list and script name. If you haven't created watch list earlier, just click on this plus sign and create a one. Give your watch list name and click on Save button. Now from the search bar, search for the preferred stock and add to your watch list. Just click on this plus. Similarly, you can add other stocks also. To place order, just click on the stock. Here, you will get two order options, buy and sell. With this, you can check chart, market depth and also script details. Before placing order, select your preferred exchange, that is NSE or BSE. After examining, click on buy or sell order. For instance, if you want to place buy order, just click on buy. From here also you can change your mode of exchange. Also from these three dots you can select or change your order type from buy or sell. Then select your order type as limit, market, stop loss or stop loss market. For example, we are selecting limit order. Now enter the quantity, limit price. By clicking on the show advanced option, you can also enter the disclosed quantity, product validity and product type. You can also check the margin details. After selecting your order type, if you want to place a fast trade, just click on this circle or else just click on place order and confirm the order by verifying the details. As you have placed the limit order, your order will be displayed in the order tab until the limit price hits. Here, you can also modify or cancel the order by clicking on these three dots. You will get here open, cancel, rejected, placed and AMO, that is aftermarket order. And once your limit price hits, it will come under the position tab. Whereas if you want to place market order, select the script, click on buy and in the order type, click on market. Now you need to enter the quantity. Order price will be your current market price. Enter the disclosed quantity, product validity, similarly product type, and you can check the margin. Click on place order. As here we click on the fast trade, we didn't get the confirmation page and our order directly got placed. As you have put the market order, your order will be directly executed and you can view your order in the position tab. From here, you can square off your positions by just clicking on this checkbox. As the order is placed, your order will also be displayed in the completed tab. From here, you can also convert your order from CNC to MIS by clicking on these three dots. Just click on convert and just give the confirmation and click on yes. With this, you can convert your order type. That's it. Similarly, you can place stop loss and stop loss market order. If you select the stop loss order, you also need to enter your trigger price. And if you are placing the stop loss market order, the order price will be your market price. You just need to enter the trigger price. And similarly, you can carry out your transactions. With this, you can simply place your orders with these four order types. That's it. In just couple of minutes, you can place an order of your choice. Thank you so much for watching out this video. And do let us know if you want more such informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get the notification for the next video.